2. Hey everyone, this is Jeff Jones again. I am a spokesman from theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are theboxmen.com, and in this video, I'm going to go over how to refresh your TV portals on your Formulers with My TV Online 2 or My TV Online 3. So if this is your first time to our Stream Machines YouTube channel, maybe on our Rumble channel, thank you so much for being here. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up in this new year. You're helping me with the algorithm of YouTube, so I'm going to jump right on in. Refreshing your portals are something that's pretty needed if you haven't actually powered down your device all the way down. Putting it on standby over and over is convenient, but it doesn't really refresh the playlist that you have within your unit. So I'm going to show you how to do that first with the My TV Online 3. The device I am using is a Z11 Fomuler Z11 Pro, or I should say Pro Max. So to do this, you're going to have to go into the My TV Online 3 application, which is right here, and then you're going to press the OK button. Once it opens up the full screen, you're going to click on the menu button, and then you're going to go down to Content Manager and press the OK button. Once you're in Content Manager, you could go down to Data Sync, right? Data Sync or Data Sync. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Highlight that and press the OK button. From here, you can either go to Clear EPG or Clear and Update. You can set up the auto update settings where I have a scheduled refresh at 5 a.m. every day. But I'm going to go right here to the right and highlight the refresh button. And I'm going to press the OK button. Let's let it sit here for a moment. And this is going to refresh all of the content on the device, on the device itself, on the box itself. And this way you can see when it's done and what that next step looks like. All right, so I'm going to let it sit here for a minute, and I'll be right back when it's done. Hopefully it does it.
Heat bill may go up, but the damage from a burst pipe is worse. Detach hoses, close the shutoff valve, and cover outdoor faucets with something protective. Add more insulation to add.
I'm just waiting for it to let me know that it has done it. Usually there's a message, but I have more than one thing on here, so it's taking a little bit of time. All right, just a little bit of time. But that's how you do it. Normally what happens is you're going to get a message that says you have new content available, and do you want to access that content or whatever it might be. It'll give you a message that it was completed. This is how you set up the refresh on your My TV Online 3 devices, whether that be the Z11 Pro Max that I'm using, the Fomuler Z11 Pro, or the Fomuler Z Mini. Those are the three devices that have My TV Online 3. So let's go ahead and switch the boxes or devices, and let's take a look at how to do it. All right, I switched over to the different device. This is a Z10 that has My TV Online 2. This is one of our tester devices. I'm going to go ahead and go into My TV Online 2 and click the press the OK button right here. Once it's opened up, I'm going to push up, highlight menu, press the OK button. Then I'm going to go down to this refresh section right here and press the OK button. Now what we're going to do is just let it sit here for a moment, and you should be able to see, even though it's blurred, once it gets done with the complete playlist, it'll let you know. And then you can go ahead and put that where you'd like. Or shouldn't say put it where you like, but start it all over, and you should be able to refresh that playlist or the portal or whatever you want to call it. This is your device giving you the ability to do that. And that way it doesn't get choppy, and you get to enjoy what you have, how you want, and all that good stuff. So that is the way you do it. It's not much left to do other than to do that. And then you just go back and check to make sure things are running a lot better or a lot smoother. Because when you're streaming over the internet, sometimes things can get a little messed up. So this might be basic for some folks, and if it is, I'm sorry. I try to keep it as fresh as I can. As you can see, it said refresh success, and we're good there. As I hit the home button, I'm going to close out this video by inviting you guys to check out the new video link below. It'll show you how we call it Box 95. This is a very, very good device. I think you should click the link, go check out the video. It's pretty cool, and you can watch it. This is a completely live TV box for just $95 with live TV, sports, regionals, all that good stuff. Now, this box is for those that really don't already have their movies and TV shows, because you can't put any movies or TV show apps on it. But if you already have your Netflix, maybe on your smart TV, maybe you already have your TV shows somewhere else, but you're looking for a great device to get the live TV or that stuff, Box 95 is a great place to go. Go ahead and click the link. Check out the website. 2 short videos if you're interested. It's only $95 one time. Can't beat that. All right, guys. Have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.